Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. My name is Aditi and today we're going to talk about tips for a high-end interior. Pinpointing exactly what luxury is in interior design varies based on personal preferences. However, all high-end interiors focus more on curating elements that deliver big on sophistication, comfort and luxury. It is this refined appearance that makes luxe design so desirable. The idea of luxury interior design can vary from one person to the next. It might be a traditional room embellished with chandeliers and heavy curtains for one person, or perhaps it can be a luxury lounge in an ultra-modern space decorated with linear sofas and accent chairs for someone else. Certainly, luxury interior design is more than just buying expensive furniture. It's about creating a living space that best fits your luxury lifestyle. So, let's get started. Define your luxury interior design style. Luxury is not a matter of property. It's actually more of a state of mind, a philosophy of living the best life available. The size doesn't matter, but the sense of style does. Even the tiniest studios can dazzle with luxury when high-end interior design is executed well. A high-end interior design must be well executed and emphasized on the quality. At the same time, it should not stray far away from the user's authentic personality. So what defines luxury in interior design? All classy homes have in common that particular aura which you can feel straight from the entrance. It's the sophistication, elegance, detail, sense of proportion and some distinctive feeling that living is easy. Since luxury interior design appears across all design styles, the components are far-ranging. The beauty is in the eye of the beholder, so choose a style that best suits you. When it comes to luxury, it's really important to find what inspires you. Luxury is hedonistic and springs from creativity, inspiration and a journey to achieve. It marks the ultimate comfort, the art of pampering yourself, the indulgence. When you are aware of things that spark your life force, high-end interior design is one of the ways to keep it going. Perhaps your inner artist is a hidden star chef trapped in an outdated kitchen. In that case, a high-end kitchen makeover makes sense. Or perhaps you are craving some special time for yourself, a chance to relax and rejuvenate in peace. Then turning your bathroom into a lavish spa oasis would certainly make the difference. Use your heart's desires to guide you into designing your space. Plan your space strategically. Every stage of the design process is important, and every great luxury interior design transformation starts with a well thought out plan. The devil is in details, and each element has to be curated with care, starting with a layout that is functional as much as aesthetical. For a luxury living room design, begin with choosing larger pieces that proportionately fill the space. Finally, the right selection of finishing materials and refined decor should further enhance the composition. Build an effective focal point around something unique. For instance, if you have a fireplace, spice it up. Leaving windows that boast a view without treatments is a surefire way to allow them to capture the attention. Alternatively, an accent wall or a gallery wall is an excellent solution too. Dressers and nightstands can be simple but good quality, with signature details or hardware. Focus on a few statement pieces to avoid overstuffing and pointless expenses. Luxury bedroom interior design also means a breathable, well-organized space free of clutter. Therefore, no electrical cords, chargers, or small daily necessities should stand in the way. Including touches of glam is one of the most important things. Luxury interior design style requires bringing out some glitz. Shining metal accents emphasize the room's appeal and fit well with every style. Gold, silver, brass, or copper work great in combination with soft and full fabrics like velvet and silk. Mirror or shagreen can jazz up the room dynamics, but be careful and use them sparingly. Natural marble and onyx are luxurious by nature and add lasting value to your home. By playing with lights and textures, you can create unique features and stunning focal points. In minimalist spaces, one or two such pieces can do magic. Don't forget to layer with luxe textures. Textures add sophistication and warmth to your home. Think silk, velvet, wool, or faux fur for example. A sumptuous, smooth, stylish rug, a soft throw, and plush cushions in different fabrics are a perfect way to introduce a cluster of textures. They also add coziness and eliminate the risk of too cold and dull house. Statement art pieces add a final touch to the luxurious interior design. Investing in one great piece is a smarter choice than cluttering all surfaces with mediocre artwork. Alternatively, consider creating a gallery wall of carefully curated pieces that communicate with you and reflect your style. When it comes to luxury, you need to invest in high-end furniture. Luxury interior design style should imply comfort rather than sharp coldness. Therefore, an intimate furniture arrangement will work well. well. Gorgeous sofas and stylish chairs should be organized to inspire social interaction. Give the advantage to quality. Larger pieces over a batch of small, cheaper items. Distinctive items certainly have lasting value. Bear more elegance and fill the space appropriately. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.